Good morning everyone. So as in the last video we are discussing about the different terms regarding coordination compounds. Okay. As in the last video I have not discussed all the terms. We are left with few of the terms which we are going to discuss in this video. So the next term which we are going to discuss, that is what? See, the next term for today, that is coordination number. Okay, so the next term which I am going to discuss here, that is a coordination number. Now what is coordination number? Please note down. In simple words you can say coordination number is the number of ligands. Okay, you already know what are ligands. The molecules or the ions which are forming coordinate bond with the central metal atom, those are known as ligands. So the number of ligands attached with the central metal atom, attached with the central metal atom, okay, central metal atom, that is known as its coordination number. Okay, we will justify this concept with a lot of examples which we are having. Okay, the first example I am going to discuss. Okay, the first example is we are having a complex of silver cyanide. Okay, so here it is having which charge? Negative. So if I'll ask what is the coordination number of the compound, your answer would be 2. Why its answer is 2? Because how many ligands are attached with the metal atom? Here 2 ligands are, and you already know ये जो ligand है, this is what? This is a monodentate ligand. It can form only single coordinate bond. So how many ligands are present? 2. So that's why its coordination number is 2. The number of coordinate bond formed by the ligand to the central metal atom, only 2 bonds are formed. So its coordination number is 2. We will proceed for the next example. The next example will be, see, the next example we will take, that is nickel. Okay, nickel, ammonia, 4, okay, 2 positive. So what is the coordination number again here? Nickel is a central metal atom. These are the ligands. Okay, how many ligands are present? 4 ligands, and again this is a monodentate ligand, so the coordination number here will be 4. We will proceed for the next term, that is next example. Okay, next example will be platinum Cl6. Okay, platinum Cl6, 2 negative. So in this case, how many what is the coordination number of the complex, as how many ligands are attached over here? 6. Again these are monodentate, so the coordination number here will be 6. Okay, now I'm going to discuss few of the ligands, okay, which are different from monodentate. We have discussed different type of ligand, so I'm going to take one of example regarding those ligands. Iron, C2O4, okay, C2O4 thrice, 3 times, 3 negative. So now my question here, what would be the coordination number of this compound? First of all, you have to understand which ligand is this one. This is oxalate ion, okay, and this is which type of ligand? This is a bidentate ligand. That means I have already discussed with you what is oxalate ion. This is oxalate, see, this is oxalate, okay, carbon, don't make like this, it will be like this, COO negative, COO negative. The bond is present in carbon and carbon, not oxygen and carbon. Okay, so what is here? You can see it can form the bond with the central metal atom by 2 atoms. Okay, so that's why it is a bidentate ligand. So how many ligands are present here? 3. So that means when I'm talking about the bonding with the central metal atom, that they are forming a coordinate bond with the central metal atom. So one ligand can form 2 bonds. So how many bonds will be formed by 3 ligands? So 6 bonds. So the coordination number here will be, what is the coordination number here? 6. Okay, so for the next example, I'll take another example, that is cobalt, En3. Okay, what is En? This is ethylene diamine. We have discussed the example in the last video. ओके, अगेन व्हाट विल बी द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर हियर? अब देखो यही चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ दैट हियर 3 आर प्रेजेंट, हियर 3 आर प्रेजेंट. डोंट जज बाय नंबर. First of all, see the type of the ligand it is. It is monodentate, bidentate, tridentate. Accordingly, you can decide what is the coordination number of the metal. Okay. So, ethylene diamine. En means what? En is ethylene. Okay. It is what? Ethylene diamine. क्या फॉर्मूला था इथिलीन डायमीन का? CH2 CH2 NH2 NH2. So here what? 2 nitrogens are there, जो क्या हैं? Donor हैं. How many nitrogens are there? 2 nitrogens. So these are donor. Okay. This will donate, this will donate. So again this is a bidentate ligand. So what is the coordination number here? 6. Is it clear? Now we will proceed to the next topic, that is charge on the central metal atom. Before proceeding the charge on the central metal atom, first of all हम बात कर लेते हैं charge on the complex ion. Okay, charge on the complex ion. First of all हम इसकी बात कर लेते हैं charge on the complex ion. Okay. Now how we will decide that what is the charge which is present on the complex ion? हम कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कि क्या चार्ज प्रेजेंट है कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन में? ठीक है, फॉर दिस वन कहते क्या है कि व्हेन वी हैव टू डिसाइड द चार्ज ऑन द कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन, वी हैव टू डू द सम. ओके, डू द सम ऑफ what? Do the sum of the charge on the metal. Okay, do the sum of the charge on the metal and the ligand. Ligand could be, it could be ligands also, ligands also. एक भी सेम भी हो सकता है, डिफरेंट ligand भी तो हो सकते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स में. So when you have to decide charge on the complex ion, then you have to do the sum of the charge on the metal. Okay, what would be the charge on the metal? And that means उसके ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर और ligand के ऊपर जो चार्ज है, on the base of that you can decide what would be the charge on the complex ion. Okay, for example, I am going to talk about here nickel. Okay, nickel, ammonia 6. Okay. Now what is there? You can observe here what would be the charge. Here when you will go for nickel, okay, it is present in which oxidation state here? 2 plus 2. And ammonia, as this is a neutral ligand, please keep in mind ammonia is a neutral ligand. As it is a neutral ligand, it have no charge. Ammonia is a neutral ligand, it have no charge. So accordingly, if I see 6 ligands are here, if I will do the sum of it, plus 2 plus 6 into 0. Why? Because 6 ammonia are there, so all are having 0 charge. So I will get what? Plus 2. So that means in this complex the charge present on the complex would be plus 2. अब आपका क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ये भी हो सकता है that how we came to know about that metal is present in plus 2 oxidation state. Beta, when we go for its hybridization, then we can find out that as nickel is forming an octahedral complex, it is already clear that 6 ligands are attached over here, it is forming an octahedral complex. So based on that we can decide that when we will see the number of electron, from there they can find out that you can find out that what would be the charge on the metal atom. Okay, but we will not go for that. This is just a simple concept, not important according to exam point of view, but you must know that how the charge on the complex ion, ये charge आता कैसे है, ठीक है. So that is the concept which I am telling you, that it is a sum of the metal ion and the ligand. ओके, जो चार्ज होगा लाइगेंड के ऊपर और जो चार्ज होगा मेटल के ऊपर, उसके बेस पे जो सम निकलता है वही होता है हमारे जो कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन का चार्ज है, ठीक है. एक और एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं जिसमें हमारा लाइगेंड जो है दैट कुड बी नेगेटिव. ओके, मैं यहाँ पे एक और एग्जांपल ले रही हूँ. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, इफ़ वी आर हैविंग निकल, ओके, निकल Cl, ओके, अमोनिया 5. नाउ यहाँ पे देखिए, we are having nickel, Cl, ammonia 5. Now again अभी मैंने इसकी फिर से क्या निकालना है, चार्ज निकालना है, ठीक है। अगेन हाउ मेनी लाइगेंड्स आर प्रेजेंट, 6 लाइगेंड्स आर प्रेजेंट ओवर देयर, ठीक है। मेरे पास कितना लाइगेंड्स प्रेजेंट है, 6 लाइगेंड्स प्रेजेंट है। सो अगर मैं इनका निकालना चाहूँ सो व्हाट वुड बी देयर, कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, इसके ऊपर जो चार्ज है दैट इज़ +2, ओके। अब कैसे निकाला गया ये +2 चार्ज, इसका मतलब क्या है, तुम्हें कैसे पता चला कि इसके ऊपर +2 चार्ज क्यों आया होगा, कि अगर मैं बात करूँ इस लाइगेंड की, अमोनिया की, तो ये तो न्यूट्रल है, तो 5 × 0 इट वुड बी 0, ओके। क्लोराइड जो है दैट इज़ अ नेगेटिव लाइगेंड, ओके। इफ इट इज़ अ नेगेटिव लाइगेंड यू ऑलरेडी नो क्लोराइड इज हैविंग विच चार्ज, -1, ओके। देन आई विल गो फॉर निकल, अगर इसके ऊपर -1 है, इसके ऊपर +2 है, सो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे क्या होगा, इट वुड बी +3, because when I will do the sum of this one, +3 -1 +5 × 0, so what will I get over here, it will be +2. so that is what, यहाँ से क्या कंक्लूजन निकलता है कि जो चार्ज होता है ऑन द कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन दैट इज सम ऑफ द चार्ज ऑन द मेटल एटम एंड एज वेल एज लाइगेंड, ओके। सो ये तो एक सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट था कि उसके ऊपर चार्ज कहाँ से आता है, कि कुछ बच्चों के ऊपर क्वेश्चन, कुछ बच्चों के माइंड में ये क्वेश्चन होते हैं, ठीक है। अब देखते हैं अगला कंसेप्ट कि अगर हमने किसी की ऑक्सीडेशन निकालनी है सेंट्रल मेटल एटम की, तो हाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द ऑक्सीडेशन, ओके। इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट, यू कैन गेट अ क्वेश्चन इन द बोर्ड एग्जाम दैट कैलकुलेट ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ सेंट्रल मेटल एटम, ओके। यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ सेंट्रल मेटल एटम, okay. So we will discuss different concepts here, that how we can calculate the oxidation number, okay. So for example, the first example again is given to you, that is, अब हम यहाँ पे different examples की बात कर लेते हैं, okay. The first example would be nickel, okay, ammonia 6 + 2, okay. This is the first example which is given to you. Next example is different examples हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे, nickel CO4, okay, CO4 again it is having which charge, no, it is having no charge, okay. Another example हम देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे, copper CN4, okay, 3 negative, okay. Another example we will take here, that would be iron, okay, iron. Next would be CO6 2 positive. So these are the different examples which I have taken over here. So अगर मैंने फर्स्ट का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर निकालना है, जैसे आप रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन पढ़ के आए हैं इन योर 11th स्टैंडर्ड, तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट आप किसी का भी ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर निकाल सकते हैं, ठीक है। अगर आपने इस कॉम्प्लेक्स का निकालना है तो आप क्या करोगे, यू विल एज्यूम इट एज X, ओके। आप अपनी मेटल को X एग्ज्यूम करोगे। अब देखो तुम्हारा जो ये लाइगेंड है ये न्यूट्रल लाइगेंड है, सो व्हाट वुड बी देयर, आप इसको कैसे निकालोगे, X + 6 × 0 is equals to +2, so your answer would be X is equals to +2, okay. The charge on the nickel is +2. Next again here CO is a neutral ligand, it is carbonyl is a neutral ligand, so X + 4 × 0 is equals to 0. That means the metal atom here is having 0 charge on it. Now I will proceed for copper. Again copper को हम X मान लेते हैं, okay. Plus cyanide is a ligand that is negatively charged और CN के ऊपर -1 चार्ज होता है, so accordingly क्या बनेगा, -1 × 4 is equals to -3, so it would be X, क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे, -4 is equals to -3, so X would be equals to -3 + 4, it would be equals to +1. So copper is having what charge over here, +1. Next अगर आयरन की बात करूँ, again what would be there, X + 6 × 0 is equals to +2, so X would be equals to, okay, what would be X would be equals to +2 over here, okay. So this is about the concept of oxidation number, okay. Might be maybe it would be clear to you. If you have doubts you can ask me in the comment section, okay. Thank you for the cooperation.